Hi, I'm Bastian Koller. I'm Managing Director of the High Performance Computing Center in Stuttgart, HLRS. We are doing a lot of stuff, let's say, in the old-fashioned HPC.
Is this where it is?
That is HLRS, definitely.
And so what do you do in that center?
In that center, we have two main foci. One is engineering, one is global challenges. And with both things, we try to make the world a bit better by supporting, let's say, development processes, manufacturing, engineering, but also looking for climate actions, etc. So, we're doing a lot of stuff here.
What's happening here?
So what we have here is a visualization of a bicycle track. So people can do the virtual ride with the bike. We had made a little bit of a contest out of that. And what you see is that it's even getting more heavy if they go up a mountain. So we also test their fitness for the moment.
So there's a built-in display in there?
There's a built-in display. So what you see is it reacts on the head. The head moves of the person. And at the end, they get at least a towel, or they can even win a better prize like a tricot, etc. But it shows a bit, let's say, how we get together, and it's very interesting to see how people react on this virtual world, even knowing it's virtual, once things are happening, like going downhill, etc.
And here I see a drone. What do we do with the drones, for example?
Exactly. What we do is the documentation, 3D scans, and then simulation on top of that. Could be simulation of flooding, so simulation of
scanning this area,
and then having the real data, let's say. And then really looking what happens and how can it evolve in future in terms also, let's say, of climate conditions, etc. Very good.
And what's happening with this robot there?
So the robot is part of some work we do with the Trumpf company. Trumpf does a lot of things like this machines, laser technology, etc. And this is only a part of this. So there's a second part, like putting this together in modules. And with these modules, we can let's say simulate the modules for the moment, train the robot arm, and let's go directly into the direction without, let's say, having to put it together everything.
Is this your official company T-shirt?
No, that's one of the triggers, and let's say things that you can win with the bicycle contest.
Nice. And let's go more around the booth. What else are you showing?
This is the virtual extension of the robot arm. So what you see here is this module, which is only virtually there, but the robot arm is now working in this closed environment as it would be there.
Do you want to introduce some of your colleagues here at the booth?
Definitely. So what is come with me? So the person here with the leather jacket is our head of visualization.
Which one?
With the leather jacket. So he's our creative artist and boss of the things. So he's usually responsible for all the visualization stuff, etc. with his team.
It just turns
and doing a great job there.
Can you describe what he's doing?
Yeah, you can, let's say, put together your own medal once you have done the racing track. And it even blinks when you touch the sensors.
No, but it turns on when it gets dark.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, that's cool. And some other colleagues you want to introduce?
So we have here visualization department. We have colleagues from Trumpf over there. We have another colleague which obviously found the happy hour somewhere at our booth. And this is our head of PR, Sophia, which is responsible for the overall setup. And since she's there, she really has improved a lot.
Nice. And up there above your booth, I see an airplane. What is this? What is this airplane?
This is what we do is classical CFD, so computational fluid dynamics, and we do this not only for cars. Stuttgart is a car manufacturer city, but also now with airplanes, etc., to help, let's say, improving the shape and to ensure that things are getting more energy efficient and better, let's say, for the people to use.
And at the happy hour, you have discussions with all the people here?
Obviously, they can get a drink. We can get into interaction. So usually it's easier when you have a drink, then more of them will come. But we see already a vast interest, especially as we this year have, let's say, starting point for the Hammer High, which is Hammerhead Shark. And this will be an AI factory which we are currently building up, buying a system and then supporting industry with AI.
But what do you think is the biggest trend in the high performance computing, and what is your center really looking forward to?
So what we are looking forward is the convergence of HPC and AI and potentially quantum later on. So not having a big fight that each technology is the best, but we see a real benefit of bringing technologies together and to ensure that the users from industry and academia can make best use and efficient use of the, let's say, hard investments we are doing, because these systems are not cheap and we should do the best with that.
Because AI, everybody's talking about AI. Yeah. They want to do the AI with supercomputers to get the best models made and everything?
Ideally, we put them all together, let's say, in a flexible way. So we can improve AI with supercomputers, we can improve supercomputer simulations with AI, we can ensure that we can create data sets on base of the data which is there. So there's a plethora of options, and it's not, let's say, it's a rather synergetical thing and not, let's say, a competition.
And who gets to work at the center? Do you work with the students?
No, we have some students which we educate, and ideally, so if they're too good, they usually go to the industry because they pay better. But normally we try to get the best people from the world, which I really have a vast interest in working with industry, working with academia in a real application environment.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.